Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Big Cartel. We'll walk through the simple steps to integrate PayPal as a payment gateway, making it easier for your customers to purchase from your store. You will learn about the required PayPal account type and how to enable diverse payment options, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for everyone. Let's get started and boost your online sales. Before connecting, it's crucial to prepare your PayPal account. You will need a verified PayPal business account to accept payments through Big Cartel. If you currently have a personal account, you can easily upgrade it on the PayPal website. Make sure all your business details are fully completed and accurate to avoid any delays in processing transactions. Now, let's connect your accounts. First, log into your Big Cartel Shop's administration panel. From there, go to Shop Settings and then click on Payments. You will see an option to connect next to PayPal. Click this button and follow the on-screen instructions to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection. This links your Big Cartel store directly to your PayPal for accepting payments. After connecting, verify the status in your Big Cartel admin to ensure everything is active. Your customers can now pay using their PayPal accounts, Venmo, or directly with major credit and debit cards. Remember, PayPal's transaction fees typically start at 3.49% plus 49 cents per transaction. For peace of mind, we recommend making a small test purchase to confirm that payments are processing correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.